Today I'm gonna talk about the best iPhone app for weather and tell you the 3 reasons why I use it as my daily weather forecasting app. The apps I tested for this video are AccuWeather, the Weather Channel, CarrotWeather, Weather Underground, and RadarScope. I consider factors such as reliability, ease of use, price, and the features to come up with the final decision. After all considerations, I would say that the best weather app for iPhone is the Weather Channel app for 3 reasons. So, what are the 3 reasons that make the Weather Channel my app of choice for the daily weather forecast in 2020? The reason number 1. It is the most reliable weather app in iOS and Android. The app is part of IBM and uses the federal government DI-CAST forecasting system to make forecasts based on the number of models. That takes a lot of resources, money and people and time and all that, so only the biggest providers have their own pipelines. Unlike the Weather Channel app, smaller providers often entirely rely on APIs and machine learning, which doesn't lead to an accurate forecast. The app has a radar map with lots of features as well as 14 layers that could be handy whenever you need. The feels like temperature takes into account wind speeds and humidity to assess how the human body actually feels temperature. For example, in winter a strong wind can feel much colder than the measured temperature would say. The weather forecast is shown up to 2 weeks, which is really good. The reason number 2. The app and the nasal allergy medication, Flonase, are teaming up to offer an online and in-app allergy tracker. Since the weather can play a significant role in the extremity of seasonal allergies, the allergy tracker will allow users to monitor and prepare for a high level of allergy causing. The last but not the least, the reason number 3. The real-time rain notifications will help you plan for the way with confidence. For rain and snow alerts, the app offers exact to-the-minute timing of when rain or snow will start based on your GPS location, while the app will also notify users of lightning strikes nearby with a new lightning map layer. Let's see some other cool features of this app. In the meanwhile, I'm curious to know which app do you use in your area, or do you use any app at all? Write it in the comment section, please. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to give me the motivation for the better videos in the future. See you soon.